Hey guys, so today we are doing another eyebrow tutorial. Hopefully this one is going to be a slick bomb ass, like natural but not so natural, made up but then like on fleek. Oh, let's get with the broing. So today we are going to be using the eyeliner glue just to make everything laid down to give us that the laminated feel, because my hair, as you can see, I don't have much eyebrow hairs. They are there, they're just unruly and they are very very thin. So I'm going to be using my eyeliner glue to just fill them out and give them that panned out laminated feel. You can use your got-to-be glue, also your eyelash glue, but make sure it's the clear eyelash glue. It just dries clear. You don't want to use the black one and your eyebrows just look a mess. So yeah, I hope let me check if we zoomed in properly so we can get to the broing. So what I start by doing, I just grab my spoolie, forgive me, it looks a mess, and I go into the eyeliner glue. This one dries clear and it's amazing, and I love it because it just doesn't irritate my skin, because most of you guys know I have like very sensitive skin. I apply the glue on my spoolie too, to make sure that I'm just combing through the hair. The spoolie is not quite strong, so I hope it doesn't embarrass me in front of the camera. My goodness, what is going on? I'm so sorry guys. Okay guys, this spoolie is a fail. Let's find something else. It's just, so I was like, after spoolie, I just took my Rimmel London black brown eyebrow pencil. I love the hair off it. I haven't used it in a while, so because this is quite strong, so I'm gonna use it to just force my hair up. My brow hairs, not my hair. As you guys can see, this glue is like quick drying. Everything has already dried. So this is what the brow looks like before any manipulation, minus the glue. It's like, it looks nice. I like doing them like this if I want to go for like a natural look, like natural as in like a literal natural look and not wear any makeup. But I am gonna glue my brows down because they look quite cleaner, because look at this side looks clean and this side looks okay. It just looks how it looks. So basically I'm just gonna force this hair. Make sure not to hurt yourself, because you can end up like scraping your skin for eyebrows and stuff. So after doing that, oh my god, look at my pencil. Let me go sharpen my pencil. Everything is just falling apart. Pencil is like, it's beautiful, it's nice, it gives like, it makes you achieve nice lip liners, nice eyeliners, nice whatever. The thing is that it's cheap. When you sharpen it keeps breaking. I couldn't even sharpen it properly. This is what it looks like, so we are gonna try and make it work. As you guys can see, I am shaping my brow, but I do not start from the start. Like, this is where my brow starts. I just start from here because I want it to be darker here. Okay, today we are going to try and achieve that ombre effect. I'm just overlining, like shaping my brows, like overlining them. I'm just fixing the tail because the tail is everything. So I'm gonna go into my Smudge. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So my Smudge eyeliner pencil. This is in the color black. I can get away with it because I have black hair on. I have black hair and I'm dark skinned, so it's not as bad. So what I'm doing literally right now, I'm literally filling in the brow, like, and leaving gaps in behind. I'm not making sure that everything is close together. I'm just making sure that this strands mustn't be too close together. And I also go over that brown liner. Everything is going to be fixed with concealer, so don't cringe yet. kind of looks a mess today. I don't know, it just kind of looks a mess. So I'm gonna go onto my spoolie. Hopefully it doesn't fail me now. I'm gonna try clear out the black because it usually clears up any unwanted product and makes it look like there's less product on your brow. So you know how makeup is, you just do and fix, you do and fix, but you don't want to do too much because you want this brow to be literally effortless. So to fix this mesh, I'm going into my L.a Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I'm gonna go in also with my L.a Girl Pro Conceal in the color Medium Beige. So I'm gonna take my flat concealer brush from Wet n Wild. I'm not sure you can see it, Wet n Wild. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna put my color Fawn here, and I'm gonna take a generous amount. I'm just going to take my fingers and just blend out the top. It's okay because I'm going to put foundation on top, so I don't mind the halo brow because you can always cover that up, and I didn't use a color that's like, the undertone of this color is like a yellow undertone, so it's not going to just like pop out. Also gonna tap it in with my beauty blender to make sure that everything is nice and laid. Basically, as you guys can see, this is what the brow looks like. You can go in with the black one. You can either buy a black or a brown one. It doesn't make a difference for me. So I'm just gonna like, I'm still like teasing the brow, but then this is what the brow looks like. So those are two of the eyebrows done. I did the other one off camera because it's basically doing the same thing. So this is what they look like. I don't know why I'm holding my head back. They look nice, they look bushy, they look cute, they look trendy. Like, I feel like this is the best trendy brow tutorial. So let me just do my makeup on Instagram. I'm gonna be filming this milk makeup look that you're gonna see in a few seconds on Instagram, so you can check me out on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave my link on the description bar. So because we're about to snap on IG right now. Oh, hey my lovelies, so we are back, and this is what the eyebrows look like when we are done with the makeup. I did a video for this makeup look on my Instagram. Please, if you're interested in seeing this full glam, I went ham, I went full glam, I went all red lips, burgundy, you know, tasty. I'm so stupid, guys. If you don't know me by now, you better know me, get to know me. My name is Tan, and I'm amazing. So before we hit sayonara, let's get with the close-up. This is what the eyebrows look like. So they look dull right now because it's all the powders and everything. That's what I want, because that's why I start, because I use a hashtag pencil, hence I start with them. The moment you are done, they already look dull and already in a dark brown level. They don't look as dull, but then they're on like some dark brown. They don't look like they're so out of place. Obviously they don't look like my real hairs, but they look like they're on flick. These brows are on flick. They are on flick. So if you'd love to see this look, go on my Instagram and just view it from start to finish. I went in ham and it was nice. It was amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this eyebrow tutorial. So this was my eyebrow 101. I'm making sure that everybody is on that flickiswa level. We are like flickiswa level this 2020. When we get out of this lockdown, when the world just opens up, we are ready to be on flick. This is the time to literally work on ourselves. Why is my wig like, why is it we literally have to work on ourselves to be better humans, to be better persons, and also stay healthy. So guys, if you are having trouble, like you are going through depression, try watch some of my videos and just get your mind off things and stop watching the news, because the news is just gonna depress you. There was this moment I was watching the news, like when lockdown started. Literally there was a moment I had an anxiety attack. I didn't know what it is, and then I googled it. I'm like, what's going on? Like literally everything I clicked on, like on YouTube, it was about corona. Oh my god, it almost anxiety 101. So like I'm just giving you the same tips. Spare yourself the trouble and just forget about it. So forget about it, take the necessary precautions, and make sure that you stay safe, you stay home if you can. Protect yourself, protect your loved ones, and protect the other human race. Like don't be selfish. We hear stories about people being selfish. Like nowadays you see people's true colors. Like you see a lot. You read the newspapers, you hear about people that you know, and you're like, oh, so this is like this, like you see people's true colors. Like if this is the end of the world, people are already signing their hell warranty. They like signing that I'm ready. Like come on guys, let's not be selfish at this hard times. So before we leave, do 5 things for me: comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Lastly but not least, share, because sharing is caring. And share, you mustn't be selfish and keep all this time to yourself. I'll see you next week with my updated skincare tutorial. Guys, my skin has been going, I know it's been like stress, but then I've been taking care of it. I've been doing a lot of hydrofacials. Like I've been going ham on my skincare. I've been good. I've been praying. I'll see you next week. Stay safe, stay home, stay blessed. I love you very much.